Okay, Zury Sis, check you out with the thin top and all of that. Girl, okay, Zury Sis, I see you. Come through with the come through.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Zury Sis collection. This is actually one of the new thin top units, and I'm wearing it in the style Sander and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come a little bit pre-plucked in the front as well as with baby hairs. Also, this one is coming off small, medium, and big head-ish friendly. So definitely small and medium head friendly. But as far as big head friendly is concerned, my head is more on the smaller size. This cap does have some stretch to it. So I do feel like if you do have a larger size head, you could possibly get away with wearing this one. So this does come with just this center part that you see going on right here. Now with this whole collection, I guess the new construction of this unit is the fact that it lays thinner on the top because the tracks themselves are sewn onto lace versus them being wefted onto the cap. So that helps it, I guess, lay flatter. And I actually do like the construction of this. I feel like it also makes it easier to do styles like this one. So you see how you're not seeing any trackage or anything on there? I'm here for it. This part is also shiftable, so you can shift it to the left, shift it to the right, shift it to your liking if you want, so that's definitely good. The texture on this one is definitely coming off more on the softer side. What I like about it the most is that I was able to manipulate the curls and kind of comb them out without it blowing up and getting too big. It feels very nice. It's pretty soft. It has like a little hint of hardness to it, so if I had to guess, I would want to say this texture falls somewhere between soft to medium yaki, so I really do like the texture a lot. It's super natural. As you can see, the length of it is just that natural length, and it's coming far above my boobs, right to about my shoulders. And the density on this one is definitely not feeling too full at all. I feel like it's perfect for definitely the length that it is. It's giving me about 130% density, so definitely not too thin but not too thick either. I feel like this is perfect, girl. And this is all the hair to the front. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. So to be honest, I really don't have any cons with this unit. I definitely do feel like it was worth the buy. My pros on it are I really like the texture. I like the length. I feel like this curl pattern is super pretty. This is definitely going to be a throw on and go. It was super easy to get this look going. You could do versatile styles, just like I said, because of the new sewing method. So honey, I feel like altogether, yes, like the pre-pluckedness, the baby hairs, Zury Sis, you did a good thing with this one, I gotta say. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.